You need to be an expert in everything. Ibig sabihin, yung sweldo mo, yung pera mo na personal, or expenses mo personal, tutor ng anak mo, pamalengke, lahat yan kinakarga mo sa business. You should separate your personal fund to your business fund. Remember, your business is a separate entity sa'yo. Hindi ikaw ang business mo. May sariling personalidad ang business, thus, your fund should be separated with that of your business. Next, working in the business, not on the business. Ano ibig sabihin nito? You spend too much time working doon sa mga bagay na non-productive sa negosyo. Ano-ano yung mga yan? Baka ikaw pa nagbabukas ng iyong tindahan. Baka ikaw pa yung nagwawalis, naglilinis ng iyong tindahan. May mali ba doon? Nothing wrong with that. But, you could better use your time, to sell. You could better use your time to be the brand ambassador of your business. You could better use your time outside, advocating about your business. Okay? So don't work in the business, work more on the business. And lastly, trying to be an expert in everything. You need to be an expert in everything. Your goal as a CEO of your business is to develop a highly competitive and highly competent, hindi pala competitive, highly competent team. Okay, that could help you out. Remember, your 100% of your effort is just equivalent. It's just the same as 10% effort of 10 people. Do not spread yourself too thinly. Okay. So before I turn you over to Professor Edwin, I'd like to leave you with this quote from Mark Twain. Sabi niya, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you did not do than by the ones you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails. You need to explore, you need to dream, and discover.